Good day everyone. We will tackle about stability booklet. So stability is a mandatory technical document for most vessels approved by maritime authorities or classification societies that provides critical information to ensure safe operation by helping the master maintain proper stability under various conditions. Now, what information is found in the stability booklet used on board ships? The stability booklet is a vessel-specific document that includes the following key information. So first is vessel specifications. It is a lightweight displacement, dead weight capacity, and center of gravity positions for various operating conditions. Next is loading instructions. It is a guidelines for proper cargo stowage, ballast water management, and weight distribution to maintain stability. Calculation methods. It is procedures to determine critical stability parameters such as metacentric height and righting arms. Emergency protocols. Steps to address stability related incidents including flooding, cargo shift, and other hazardous situations. Last is regulatory compliance. It is details on alignment with international standards, particularly the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea or SOLAS. So why is this booklet very important for seafarers? First is for safety. It ensures the ship remains stable and seaworthy, preventing capsizing and protecting crew, cargo, and the vessel itself. Next is operations. It is provides clear, standardized guidance for loading and ballasting activities during voyage and port operations. Third is compliance. It enables adherence to mandatory maritime safety regulations, avoiding legal penalties and ensuring vessel certification. Last is preparedness. It equips crew with necessary procedures to respond effectively and promptly when stability is compromised. That's all. Thank you.